In this video, we are going to list top medical colleges in India. This list we compiled based on NIRF ranking. NIRF rankings 2020 for medical colleges have been released by MHRD through a video conference. HRD Ministry will release the rankings for different categories for the colleges that participated in the ranking framework. The first position in NIRF ranking 2020 for medical colleges is bagged by AIIMS Delhi. Candidates can check the list of top medical colleges in order to get an idea which colleges they can pick during, as they'll be able to get seats in one of these top medical colleges listed by NIRF. During the evaluation of colleges for this year, the HRD Ministry received a lot of applications from medical and dental colleges in India, primarily because of the Institute of Eminence tag that is attached to greater autonomy and recognition in the educational framework of our country. With all medical colleges accepting NEET exam scores for MBBS and BDS admissions, apart from AIIMS and JIPMER, it is important for higher education candidates to get a fair idea of the status of medical colleges in India. Given below is the list of top 30 medical colleges by NIRF. 1. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. 2. Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. 3. Christian Medical College, Vellore, Karnataka. 4. National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Bangalore, Karnataka. 5. Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. 6. Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. 7. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. 8. Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry. 9. Kasturba Medical College, Manipal, Karnataka. 10. King George's Medical University, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. 11. Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi. 12. Madras Medical College and Government General Hospital, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. 13. Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. 14. St. John's Medical College, Bengaluru, Karnataka. 15. Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. 16. Vardhman Mahavir Medical College and Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. 17. Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi. 18. Christian Medical College, Ludhiana, Punjab. 19. University College of Medical Sciences, Delhi. 20. JSS Medical College, Mysore, Karnataka. 21. Kasturba Medical College, Mangaluru, Karnataka. 22. Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi. 23. Sicha O Anasandan, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. 24. Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapith, Pune, Maharashtra. 25. Gov. Medical College and Hospital, Chandigarh. 26. Dayanand Medical College, Ludhiana, Punjab. 27. Sawai Man Singh Medical College, Jaipur, Rajasthan. 28. PSG Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. 29. Data Meg Institute of Medical Sciences, Wardha, Maharashtra. 30. MS Ramaya Medical College, Bengaluru, Karnataka. I hope this video gave introduced to the top medical colleges in India. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Please like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you for watching it.